Hey you guys, so I got some packages in the mail. Ron is always saying stuff when we get packages in the mail because my niece and we get a lot of packages. So these are pretty interesting packages. They're two new products that I've never used before. So Instagram got me. I saw advertisements on Instagram and clicked on it and bought some stuff. So I got these two packages. I did open them already, but I didn't really go through them. So I'm going to do that now. The first one is from Dollar Curl Club. And I bought some things. Never heard of them before. I haven't used the products yet, but I'm going to this weekend. And it's all cute, nice, classy packaging. It's gold with the seal on it. And this paper tells you about the products that you ordered and the products that they have available. The little thank you card. We are so thrilled to have you as a member. We hope that your experience with us is a pleasant one. And then there's some additional information on the back. So let's see what we got here. And I love this kind of stuff in packaging, especially that color. It's so nice. So we got curl defining cream with avocado and quinoa for natural curls, coils, and waves. And it smells good. It's a very light fragrance. I know some people are sensitive to smell, but it's very light. I like things that smell that are very fragrant, especially coconutty smells. And this does not have that. It's more of a very light avocado smell, but very, very light. So, and it says this defines curls, reduces frizz, and elongates curls for a soft and silky feel while adding brilliant shine. Now I have a lot of shrinkage. It's not really, this is stretched at this point, but I still, have some length there to get. So maybe this will help bring out my length a little more, although I am about to cut my hair again. And this is Co-Wash Cleansing Conditioner with Coconut and Shea. So let's see. Ooh, that's very whippy. I don't know if you can see that. Very whippy. And that smells good too. It has that same smell, but with a little bit more of a coconut going on. And then this is Repairing Hair Mask with green tea and shea. Repairs and restores strength and manageability for lifeless, damaged hair. Now I have very dry hair, so again, that smells good. Also a light fragrance. And this is a leave-in conditioner with avocado and grapeseed. And I do like the smell of grapeseed a lot. So let's see. Also very light. I'm surprised. I wouldn't mind something to be a little bit more fragrant, but I mean, I'm going to give these a try. They're very creamy. I got a little bit on my hand, and I like that. Oh, and I also got this Revitalizing Growth Oil. It stimulates, nourishes, and moisturizes for strong and healthier hair. And I did order 2 of these because I wanted to give one to my mom who's starting to thin on top. And the extra one isn't in here. So I emailed them yesterday to say, hey, I didn't get my full order. And they immediately mailed me another one today, expedited packaging. And I'll get it tomorrow. So that's pretty good. Customer service, so far so good on that. So that's all of those products. I'm going to try them out this weekend. Looking forward to it. I'm not a product junkie. When I first went natural, I was trying all these different things, and I wasn't giving things a chance to see if I really liked them or if they were really working for me. And then I just, really just stuck with Shea Moisture products and Herbal Essence, really. And those products work for me. I'm happy with them and I like them. And I don't really, shop around and buy a lot of different products. But I'm thinking that I might cut it just to get rid of the dry, damaged ends. And, try to take care of it better instead of just letting it go wild and do what it wants. So I'll see what happens with that. We'll see how long I stick to it. Oh, and then this other one that I have is Stitch Fix. And also I'll open this one, as you can see. Also came cutely wrapped with a little seal on it. And basically you go on this website, You pick, they ask you questions, you pick your style, and you answer questions based on your style, and then you have a personal shopper send you stuff in your size. They ask you your size, they ask you your body type and shape, like they ask you if you have a long torso and short legs, or long legs and a short torso, all those kinds of things, so that they can determine the right things to send you based on your style. And you can say, you know, what your style is, or you can say, surprise me and send me what you think would look best on me. So they sent me some things, and the first thing, and by the way, they never asked me my favorite color, I don't recall, but this is exactly my favorite color. And this is a nice shirt, if you can see that. It's longer, it's like the high-low, it's longer in the back, and I love 3/4 sleeves. Like, I didn't even tell them that. They just know based on your questions. So, 3/4 sleeve, it has the high-low going on, so I can wear this with, you know, jeggings or, you know, a nicer tights type pants. And then it has like that, this gathering in the back, I forgot what that's called, but they have that, and I really like that detail. So it looks kind of plain in the front, but then it has that party in the back detail, which I really like. I did try this on already, and it fit perfectly. Like, it accentuates all of my curves and everything, and it fits really nicely, and I really like it. Then I got this skirt. I don't wear a lot of dresses and skirts because I'm not really a girly girl, but I do like this skirt, and it's very form-fitting, but in a good way, because I have a lot of lumps and bumps, but it's still, there's no, like, it's elastic, and this is like velvety material, but, and it clings to you, but in a good way. And I really like this too, and it has that design on the front, like a tribal design or something, I don't know. And it's really nice. It sits just at my knee, which is what I like. I don't like things that, because I'm only 5'1", so I don't like things to be, I mean, I do like long things down to my ankle or things above my knee. I don't like that midway because I think it makes me look frumpy. But this looks really nice on me, and I really like this skirt, and it's really cute. And then it also has this little pinning thing on the back to accentuate so that it hangs right on your body, and I really like that. So this is a cute skirt, and I like that too. And with this website, they're not about sending you outfits and things that go together. They're about sending you pieces that you can like mix and match within your own wardrobe. So that I like as well. And this shirt I really, really, really like because I love this design at the top. This is so pretty. And also, again, it's not really 3/4, but it's close. It's a little longer. It comes down to about right here on me. So maybe that's almost 3/4, I don't know. And also nice and flowy, very light. It can be worn any time of year, really. And I could wear this now and be okay. And it also has a little bit of the high-low, very little at the bottom. And I really like that too. And then I got this shirt. It's sleeveless, and it's really nice. I think I have it on inside out. Yeah, let me turn it around. So this too, really, really, really like. And then lastly, I have a pair of jeans, which were a no for me. They're a size 18, which I normally wear a size 18, but they're huge. So I'll be sending these back, and I'm keeping the tops. I'm sending the skirt back and these pants, although I really do like the skirt. I hope to not be in this size much longer, so I don't want to keep a $60 skirt if I'm only going to wear it for a little while. And plus, it's more winter skirt. I'm not going to be in that size in the winter, God willing. So, and I'm sending these back too. But they're really cute pants, and they are, the brand is Liverpool, and they send you all different brands of things to try, and they're really cute pants, like I said, but they are way too big for me. And then they give you the stuff on the inside. They give you your invoice, so I have a certain amount of time to try the outfits on, decide if I'm going to keep them, send back what I don't want. They send you a postage paid shipping to send everything back in that you don't want. You can keep it all, send it all back, or keep the pieces you want. and then they only charge you for the pieces that you keep. And then they give you an invoice that tells you how much each piece costs so that you know exactly what you're getting charged for. So I really like them. I really like them, and I'm going to give them a couple more months and get a couple more things, and hopefully update my wardrobe, try some new things that I've never thought of wearing before. And I think it's a really cool website. So it's Stitch Fix. I'll put the website, well, my husband will put the website in the bottom. And also, if you sign up under me, I do get 20% off my next order. So do it. I'm sure you'll love it. Like, I really do like it. And my husband's also going to try them out. They have men's clothes, they have children's clothes, and when my husband does his, he's going to go through the whole thing so you can see him filling out the questionnaire. You'll see when he gets his box back, and you'll see him show you his things. So those are my 2 packages that I got in the mail today. Oh, sorry, yesterday. And really excited about it, and I'm looking forward to getting more things from them. And I'll show you guys again when I get my next box. Thanks for watching.